Peace and welcome to another episode of 5 Principles Cuisines Vegan Cooking Tutorials. On today's episode of 5PC, we are going to be cooking some barbecue pulled pork, vegan that is. What we got to start are our jackfruit, our bell peppers, our mushrooms, cremini mushrooms. We have some fresh cut garlic, and we have some onions. For our powdered seasonings, we have our salt, we have pepper, we have garlic, we have chili pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and our barbecue sauce to finish it off. To begin with the jackfruit, this is what it looks like, and this is the part we're going to use, and this is the core that we are going to cut away. So it's a simple slicing off of that and discarding it. Simple, easy. Right? Add that to your bowl and get ready to go. You want to put your heat to about medium to high and get your oil in the pan to start sauteing your vegetables. So we put everything in one, our mushrooms, onion, garlic, and bell peppers. Chili pepper, chili powder, your all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, and granulated garlic. Add our jackfruit.